I guess we received this product, which is a universal leather seat organizer, and I received it for reviewing purposes. And I think it's really nice. It's of leather. I received the brown one, so let's start unpacking everything and let's see what it comes in the box. It comes very well protected in this we have a little bag. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out. It feels really soft and it's great. I like it a lot. You receive a lot of packages, so you can store different kind of things. So it's really nice, having a lot of compartments ready. Okay, as you can see, and you got this Velcro other like bags. If you open it, you can store shit here, whatever you want to store. Okay. And let me show you something really nice. By extending it, you've got this little kind of like a little table. You can use it to read a book, or you put something in here, and here your pens. Okay, so that's it. It's really nice. So let's go ahead and place it in the back of my car seat to see how it looks, okay? Let's go. Okay, so now it's ready. You can place your cup in here. Use this large pocket that you have in here to place different kinds of stuff. You can leave some notebooks in this part, stuff like that. Read a little bit, or even having this part like a book. You just place it in. If you want to keep reading it, choose one and opens, and you just press it. Or a tablet or anything you like. You have also this for like a pencil and stuff like that. So it's really nice, really, as you've seen, really easy to assemble, to put it on. So I will recommend it. See ya.